என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க?
Soft.
Software. Smile. Okay, open your mouth. Open your mouth nicely. You had some bridges over there, can you? Okay, right. So your main complaints in the
I got nervous and was sick.
Telugu, Nedu.
I'm going to so past 6 months. We just passed there. So finally at last.
You can talk to me in English, no problem. You are more comfortable in Tamil. But Nellore is in Andhra, right?
Yes, yes.
So your mother knows only Telugu or she knows?
Yes, only Telugu.
She knows only Telugu, okay. But we don't have to tell your mother everything, no?
Yeah, I will convey what she is trying to say. So we are coming from very far and we are following your videos. Actually, we went to Apollo Hospital to this Vyasji. My relatives was there. And they told after that, within 2 days I'm going to go to surgery. And I have seen your videos. I thought like there's some results outcome there. So that's why I will come.
Which Apollo you went?
Nellore.
Nellore is Apollo?
Doctor Kondareddy, the dentist.
Okay, I don't know. I didn't think Nellore is Apollo. Okay, fine. So your main concern is what?
Main concern like if I smile like
Tummy smile. Okay, then?
smile and it's totally like it is coming like this. It's high and
Deep white. Then what else?
Then like in the cheeks also I don't know because of this it is coming like this I don't know like,
Okay.
but everyone is saying like if you eat more food it will come like this but never it's happened and 6 months back my sister is passed away and I have lost 10 kgs weight and it is yeah actually my sister and me should come here.
What happened to her sister? Oh my god, why? She's already married.
Some years back, like last year we got married.
Alright, I'm sorry about that. Now see, with regard to your cosmetic thing, I'll tell you what all we can do. Of course, gummy smile, deep bite, both of this definitely we have to correct. There is no doubt about that. Apart from that, your chin is not proportional to your face and this angle is going up. So a genioplasty will be very, very useful. Along with, so upper jaw we have to do. We'll do a bite also, that will be segmental osteotomy and genioplasty. So if you do this much, then the whole face will be set correctly. But if you don't do genioplasty, okay, you have to work faster. Because we have to do something called as mock surgery. We will take your measurement and quickly we will do all of that. Okay, so we're going to do upper jaw with a segment and we can do a chin.
Chin is like an extension or something?
Yeah, what will happen is this angle is going down and it is broad.
Okay.
So we take it up, we'll bring it down and shape it. So the match of
Even it is
face.
coming like my problem is this bone right? So
That bone I'm correcting already. This I will correct, this I will correct, this I will correct. Under the eyes, everything is corrected already. We take a
this
misspell.
portion I don't like.
Then we corrected already. That is already I have told. Dummy spell, deep bite, live for 1 year.
Okay, gummy smile, if we do this, it is coming.
I will be correcting that also at the same time. So your cheek, gummy smile, everything is corrected by 2 osteotomies. It's LIFO1 and AMO this side and some soft tissue work.
Okay.
So under the eye till here settled now.
Okay.
But here also there is some small issues. No, because then the result will be good for you. Otherwise, it will not. See, the harmony of the face depends on the position of the jaw.
Yes.
So that's the reason I'm saying. Anyway, we'll first start with the impressions, and then we can plan.
Yes, and even my nose
Nose we can't do now.
Okay. Okay.
Because we're going to do the jaw. So if I will do this, it will be soft tissue. On top we'll have to do. So that not a good idea. We can postpone it for you. You may not need it also.
Yeah.
Just wait and see. Your nose is not too bad.
Okay.
If you see your nose alone, it's alright. It's not looking like very bad. Because it's not suiting now. It looks like your nose is small for your face. This middle third is long. All that will be correcting with the surgery. So you will not need to do anything for the nose. Chin, it will be required to make it look really pretty. Then you look, the whole thing will look really nice. Anyway, talk to my manager and then we can start with the impression. We will start with the impressions because I have to make models and I will mock surgery before we can get all these things done correctly.
Sure.
Alright? I don't know.
So this height also will be reduced and
Everything.
this is going inside and
Yes.
this also will be changed.
That also will be corrected. But also
He is saying like this will reduce.
it will change a little bit because now it's not the right proportion. That will also change. It's not only surgery here, full surgery will happen.
From here to
Yeah. So there will be change from below the eye to up to the upper jaw. That's much. If you do this, full face will change. Yeah? First you can go there and they take impression. So once we take the impression, we can start work. We'll try and do tomorrow afternoon for you.
Yeah, sure.
Morning not possible because we have some work here.
Okay.
So yeah,
But anyway, tomorrow it's.
tomorrow we'll find this. We will do for tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Bye.